Hi guys, it's Mr. Carnes. Today for an Egypt project, we are going to mummify an apple. So what you're going to need is a tin can. It can be a soup can or whatever you'd like. I prefer the home-style chicken noodle soup. So you can pick any tin can you like. You're going to need an apple. You're going to need some salt. And you're going to need baking soda. Okay, so I also have a hammer and a nail. So I'm going to show you how this works. You take the tin can, and on the bottom, you take your nail, and you make about 4 little holes in it. Okay? 4 or 5 holes is fine. This is going to be so any fluids from the apple can drain. Okay, so I use my nail to punch holes. You can also use a drill. You might want to have your parents do that part. So this is what it looks like at the bottom of my tin can. So now what you're going to do is you are going to, in a separate container, you are going to mix baking soda and salt. So let me get my bowl. Okay, here's my mixing bowl. I am going to pour 1 cup of salt, maybe 3/4 cup of salt. Okay, I'm going to take that, I'm going to pour that into my bowl. And then I'm going to take another 3/4 or a cup of baking soda. And I'm going to put that into the bowl. Okay. Next, I'm going to use a spoon just to kind of mix that up and mix it up real good. Make sure that it's all nice and mixed up. Salt and baking soda. Okay, almost done here. Mrs. Carnes might kill me because I'm making a mess, but that's okay. Okay, so now that we have that all mixed up, we're going to take our apple and we are going to cut it into 4 slices, so you can just slice it down the middle. And then again. Okay. So I have 4 apple slices. Now you can use whatever amount of apples you need if your can's not big, you might only be able to fit 2 pieces. If you have a bigger can, you might be able to fit all 4 pieces. So I'm going to take mine in my soup can here. There's 1 piece goes in, 2 piece, and I can actually get 3 pieces in here. Okay. Then what we're going to do, so I put the apples inside of the soup can, and I'm going to take my mixture of baking soda and salt, and I'm going to pour it on top. And I'm going to fill the can with the baking soda and salt. You might want to put a paper towel underneath your can because remember you punched holes in it. And I'm going to fill that up with the baking soda salt mixture. Almost done. I want to make sure that the apples are covered. Okay. Now that's all topped off. Okay. So I topped it off and everything is covered in there. So it'll look like this. Now in about a month and a half, I'm going to come back and I'm going to pull the apples out, and you will have I will have mummified apples. So please, make sure that your parents, if you need help doing any part of this, make sure that your parents maybe do the hole punching part in the bottom of the can and the cutting of the apple. for safety reasons. All right, guys. Well, I miss everyone, and I want you to have a great day and a great week, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.